In the Netherlands, there's an unusual law concerning public sneezing. It's mandated that sneezes must be done into a handkerchief or tissue, a tradition dating back to the 17th century during the bubonic plague outbreaks. This law was introduced to protect public health, emphasizing how the act of sneezing could spread diseases like wildfire. Surprisingly, violations can lead to fines or warnings, showcasing the Dutch commitment to etiquette and health. Anecdotes abound, such as the story of a tourist being admonished for sneezing freely, drawing laughs and awareness among locals. It's a quirky reminder of how a simple act can transform into a cultural norm.